Look at the mess I've got going on here. So here's the plan. These mills had wheels that would come in here. Let me back up a little bit. So the wheels would come in here. And what you could do is you could lower this carriage down onto the wheels, and then this carriage from here to here, you would slide the blade and engine to one side, and the other side would be the handles on the wheelbarrow. Now in my case, I have this car that I need to get out of here, but the sawmill is preventing that. So the idea was to make my own wheels, and I had the idea of using lawnmower wheels. So I went to my friend and I asked him if he could weld on these tabs. So my next step is to go and to paint the tube. Once it's painted, I can cut it to length and I'll have two wheels ready to go. I scuffed up the metal a little tiny bit, and I'm using some Sherwin-Williams direct-to-metal green paint. Mostly because it's log splitter green and it's what I have laying around. So I'll get this painted real quick. The idea is to paint it, let it dry, and then cut it into two separate legs and fit it to the mill, see how it worked out. Well, the first coat is splashed on there, and it's going to be all toasty in this nice basement. When it dries, I'll splash another coat on there. I'm not worried about the quality of this. What this is a way for me to move that sawmill out of the way so I can get that ugly van out. And the neighbors don't have to look at the van. The van shouldn't be sitting there like that. But in this state, that van has been through an inspection, and it only has to go through an inspection once. So if my car were to break, then I'll jump in that van. I don't care. I want to survive. I'm not worried about what I look like towing a trailer down the street. Besides, this is the real world. This is how I get from point A to point B. I've got a lot of obstacles to go. Unfortunately, I don't have a fancy boat to show you. I don't have a nice airplane to show you. All I can show you is how I go from a mess to prosperity.